Here is how to share the responses of a Google form with others. So let's get started. The first step is to open your browser and then come to Google Forms. Once you're here, come to the form whose responses you'd want to share. So I have this form which has 11 responses, and there are different methods to share this, and I've given each of them in the timestamps below. So the first method is using Google Sheets. So to do this, come to the Responses tab that's here, and here click on Link to Sheets. Select Create a new spreadsheet, and you can rename it if you want to, and then click on Create. As you can see, this Google Sheet has all the responses, and every time someone fills in the form, it will automatically get added over here. So all you have to do now is share this sheet with the account. So to do this, click on Share, which is on the top right. And here, just enter the account you'd want to share with. And you can decide if you want to make them an editor or viewer. So you can change that from here and click on Send. And now it's done. So this was the first method. Now I'll go back to Google Forms to show you the second one. So the second method is by sharing the Google form with that account. So to do this, click on Share, that's written on the top right. And now the same way, we just have to enter the email ID with the account we'd want to share it with. So I'll just enter it over here. After that, just change this from responder to editor. And one thing to note about this method, that an editor can change questions, change settings, and also delete responses. So if you're sure you want to give this access, click on Send. And now it's done. So the third method is if you want to send a summary of all the responses, then to do this, click on the three dots which are on the top right and click on Print. As you can see, a summary of all our responses, they've come here. Then over here, click on Control P with your keyboard. And this is a preview of what is going to get saved. One thing to note, that next to destination, you have to select an option like Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF. You can just click on this and change it to either, and then click on Save. Over here, just rename it and save it. And now it's done. The responses are saved as a PDF, and you can just share the PDF with others. Then the next method is to send a PDF, but not as a summary. So if you want to send each response as it is, then you can use this method. So for this, click on the three dots which are over here and click on Print All Responses. And here you can see the difference. Earlier, we had a summary view, but now we have 22 pages for each time someone filled in the form. So this method is helpful if you want to send all the responses. Again, next to destination, just select Save as PDF and click on Save. Then here, just rename the PDF and save it. And now it's done. You can share the PDF with others. And now coming to the last method, which is downloading the responses as a CSV and sharing the CSV with others. So to do this, click on the three dots over here and click on Download Responses in brackets CSV. So here, it will download it as a zip folder and click on Save. And now it's done. You just have to unzip the folder and share the CSV with others. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to stop accepting responses in a form, check out this video. Goodbye.